Universal made a big announcement, or should I say, an epic announcement. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rick here, and Universal has officially announced the 5 lands of Epic Universe and given us more detail about the new theme park opening next year. To start with, Universal gave us more information about the heart of Epic Universe, Celestial Park, which is the first world guests will encounter as they enter the new theme park. From Universal's press release, with acres of rolling gardens, chasing waterfalls, and strolling pathways, Celestial Park puts the park back into theme park. As soon as guests enter the imaginative world, they will embark on a journey of discovery, thrills, and excitement as they wander through lush living gardens, nestled among shimmering waters, surrounded by stunning architecture, inspired by astronomical and mythological elements. Here, guests can relax and take in the sights and the sounds around them, boarding a shooting comet for an exhilarating roller coaster adventure, dine on delectable foods, shop exclusive merchandise to commemorate their visit, and more. Plus, Celestial Park will be the gateway to explore the 4 additional worlds of Epic Universe, each bringing to life extraordinary adventures that go beyond guests' wildest imaginations. Through a set of majestic portals that capture the imagination and creativity of each world, guests will embark on a transformative experience as they journey from Celestial Park to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Ministry of Magic, where guests will discover a different era of the Wizarding World in an all-new land that blends 1920s Wizarding Paris from Warner Brothers Pictures' Fantastic Beasts films with the iconic British Ministry of Magic from the Harry Potter series. Super Nintendo World, where guests will enter the iconic green pipe and discover a new way to play as they step into the worlds of beloved characters like Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, and Donkey Kong. How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berk, where guests can soar with dragons in a colorful world filled with Viking adventures based on the wildly popular How to Train Your Dragon film franchise. And Dark Universe, where guests encounter everything from experiments of Dr. Victoria Frankenstein to the shadowy landscape where monsters roam in a world of myth and mystery. Now, here are some more details about some of the wonders guests can experience while exploring Celestial Park. Starfall Racers. It's a dual-launch racing coaster that sends guests rocketing through the sky aboard comets in a race to see who is the fastest of them all. Reaching speeds of up to 62 miles per hour and heights up to 133 feet, Starfall Racers will be Epic Universe's most thrilling coaster experience with unique maneuvers such as Celestial Spin, in which the 2 coaster vehicles perform an inverted crisscross while speeding through the air, creating an out-of-this-world adrenaline rush. Constellation Carousel, the grand centerpiece of Celestial Park. Here, explorers of all ages will take a fantastical whirl aboard constellations that glide forward, backward, and even make a 360-degree rotation through the Milky Way in a choreographed dance of music and starlight. Astronomical will be an interactive wet play area that also doubles as a giant compass, featuring crystal blue fountains that spring to life and dance around guests. More on Celestial Park. An array of unique dining experiences ranging from full-service restaurants to quick-service locations that offer something for every palate, including Atlantic, a full-service surf and turf restaurant set inside a Victorian aquarium, complete with captivating views of Celestial Park. And the Blue Dragon Pan-Asia restaurant, where diners can take a culinary journey across Asia as they enjoy authentic Chinese, Japanese, and Thai fare in this full-service restaurant accented with neon dragons and ethereal lanterns. Additional must-eat locations within Celestial Park include the Oak and Star Tavern, where guests can enjoy savory barbecue, Pizza Moon, which will serve up a tasty menu featuring a variety of pizzas and more. Incredibly detailed retail locations, including the Nintendo Superstar Store, where guests can shop an assortment of merchandise themed to Super Nintendo World, Moonship Chocolates and Celestial Sweets, where guests can satisfy their cravings with a unique selection of sweet treats and more. Plenty of exciting entertainment, including various fountain shows throughout Celestial Park's 7 acres of water, where a multitude of fountains sway, dance, and even reach heights of 135 feet in the air to music and interactive lighting from day to night. Also located inside Epic Universe at the end of Celestial Park is Universal Helios Grand Hotel. This hotel is designed to transport guests to a world where the heavens and earth unite, complete with 500 rooms, one-of-a-kind views, and its very own dedicated entrance into the theme park. So that is pretty much the bulk of the press release from Universal today. What am I most excited for? All of it. but let's see if I can narrow that down. Celestial Park seems like a really cool place just to hang out. And I do like just hanging out in a theme park. And it seems like the environment they're creating there of just enjoying a park within a theme park seems to be right up my alley. Plus, not just the aspect of hanging out, relaxing in the park, it has Starfall racers. And I do love me some tall, fast roller coasters. For me, of the attractions we've heard of so far, not just the ones in this particular press release, but kind of the stuff that's been batted about in the theme park community. Starfall Racers is probably the thing or the ride that I am most excited for. But I'm also very interested in the Ministry of Magic. Very unique how they're going to combine the two franchises of Fantastic Beasts and Harry Potter and give us the British Ministry of Magic along with the Paris side of things. And of course, I am dying to experience Dark Universe. And plus, it sounds like we got some very cool restaurants to experience. And just overall, just the theming of each land. You know, Universal really raised the bar with the Harry Potter areas of their theme parks. And to have each land have its own portal, so it's its own little thing, and you just go from one world to the next world. And I just anticipate, you know, the theming of each land. We already know about like Nintendo World, Super Nintendo World. They've built that in Japan. They've done that over there in California, and we know what that's going to be like. But to be able to, you know, to step into the Dark Universe and then like the How to Train Your Dragon world, well, that's a Viking experience you're going to have in there. I think it is. Now, when it was first batted about that we might have a monsters world, I was kind of lukewarm. But as we get closer and closer, I think of all the lands, because I've experienced Harry Potter, which is amazing, you know, and we have an idea already about Super Nintendo World. I think it is the Dark Universe, which is, there's, as far as I know, nothing like this anywhere in the world. Very exciting. I'm very much looking forward to the Dark Universe. But anyway, that's kind of my thoughts on things. What I'm looking forward to, the main Celestial Park area. That's going to be a good place to chill, enjoy the sights and the sounds of being in a different universe, and the Dark Universe. And the ride, you know, like I said, my main love with theme parks is kind of the big, fast, thrilling rides, along with the atmosphere. So to have Starfall Racers right there, I think be the most iconic, probably, attraction going into that park, at least for now. Who knows what expansion plans will hold, but to have Starfall Racers and have a super fast, thrilling roller coaster. So that's what I'm most looking forward to, those kind of aspects of Epic Universe. If you don't mind, try to gather all this information, take it in, soak it in, and then share with me what you are most looking forward to with Epic Universe. But for now, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, and we'll see you next time.
It's gonna be a good day, good day. Rick and Nikki show the way. It's